How to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on three bars given at the top left corner. Head over to the settings icon. Now navigate to the option privacy and safety. Head over to the option end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on the option message storage. Now click on the option turn off secure storage. Secure storage will be turned off on all devices. Any new end-to-end encrypted messages will be stored on this device only. As of now, Facebook Messenger has made end-to-end encryption the default setting for all users to enhance privacy and security. Currently, there is not option to disable this feature, but you are able to disable for this option, secure storage. With this feature disabled, the messages won't be stored. It's important to know that end-to-end encryption is designed to protect your conversations from potential eavesdropping, ensuring that your messages remain private. While some users have expressed concerns or faced challenges with this feature, there is no official method right now to turn it off. I made this video to clear out there is no such option within Facebook or Messenger right now to disable the feature end-to-end encryption. If in the future Facebook comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.